Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. Today we have my Ipsy Glam Bag for April, so let's get into it, see what I've got. If you're new to Ipsy, Ipsy is a subscription bag, because we get glam bags, company. They have 3 different products. They have the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, which is what this is, and it is $13. They have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and that is $28. And then they have the new Glambag X. Well, it's not new. I think it started like last February, where they do a collab with someone, and that is $55. I don't think that one's gone up yet. The Luxe went up, but I don't think the Glam X has gone up. In each of the bags, we have choices. This is the regular $13 bag. We have 1 choice. In our Plus, we have 3 choices, and in our Glam X we have 3 choices. It's 3, right? I think it's 3. But let's see what is in this one. In the Glam Bag and in the Glam Bag Plus, you get a bag. In the Glam Bag, it's usually a plastic cosmetic style bag, and in the Glam Bag Plus, it's one of the fabric bags that with the drawstrings that I really enjoy. When I take my goodies out, this is what it looks like. So the April bag is just pink. I don't know why I thought it was daisies. Okay, there you go. That's the April bag. And the pull on it is kind of purple, and it says Ipsy. I also had my paperwork. That is what it looks like. It says Keep Growing, April 2022. And I don't have my products inside, and I can get past that. If they're not going to send us the information on the inside for the products we have, that's fine. But I heard from a lot of you last time after I didn't have my information that you did have yours, so I wonder what the difference is. I'm going to take it a little personally. All right, when we open up the bag, it's kind of a maroon burgundy on the inside, and it has the little Ipsy tag. Okay, first thing out, oop, little squeezy tube. Time for glasses. I am definitely not seeing whatever this is without my glasses on. This is the Deer Beach Glassy Lip Oil and Gloss. And I would say that this 5 mLs is a sample, even in a lip gloss. That's really unusual for Ipsy. Usually in the lip products, we get full size, but it's a lip gloss, and I have on a matte lip. This is actually the City Beauty lips. I wanted to wear it for a full day and see if I liked it. Oh, I just squeezed out way too much, so it's nice and clear. Oh yeah, definitely too much. Can't tell what it smells like. So yes, I have lip oil all over myself now. It came out in abundance, and I just went ahead and kept rubbing it in. It feels like a lip oil, not a lip gloss. Very slick, but not at all gummy, and it just gave me a little bit of a shine. Wow, I just took the lid off to smell it again, and more popped out. It's kind of fruity, just a little fruity, nothing discernible. I mean, I couldn't say peach or cherry. It's nice, and it's a nice little size to try, so that is next, and it is Magnolia from V Cosmetic, and it is a blusher. I couldn't see on the back where it said what it was. I mean, it seemed a little obvious, but I didn't want to assume. It's a really nice pink. I actually think that would be a really nice color for me. Kind of creamy, not too dry. Oh yeah, that is a pretty pink color, and it went on really nicely. I may give that a try. I have never heard of, oh wow, just looked at the back of my hand and I had way too much on there, but it does go on really. The pigment in that is fantastic. Next out, I have an Eyeshadow Black Magic liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this sealed. I received these quite a bit, and I have a couple of open, and my daughter loves black eyeliner, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass it along to her. But I would say it is a half-sized one. It is liquid eyeliner in Black Noir, and this one is 0.3 ml. In ounces, it's 0.01 ounces. Next up, oh, my choice. This is the Ouai Body Cream in Melrose Place. And that is what that looks like. I chose this because of my choices, obviously. I liked it the best, and the scent of this is amazing. I love the Ouai, whether it's for your hair or your body. The scent of the Melrose Place products are amazing. Oh, when we open it up, it is lavish with cream. I mean, it's just chock full. You know, sometimes you have those big air bubbles, and this is just chock full of product. I love the scent of the Melrose Place. This is the same scent as the scalp and body scrub that's going to be, spoiler, one of our choices in our FabFitFun box for summer. Same scent. I like it. Fresh, clean, lovely. And since this is 1 ounce, I thought it would be perfect for travel. I love the scent. It's a great cream. Perfect. Okay, last out of my bag, something in bubble wrap. I don't remember what it is, but it's very pretty. It's just either I would say eyeshadow single or duo, but wow, that is a really, really pretty packaging, isn't it? Okay, let's open it up. Oh yeah, definitely eyeshadows. I'm gonna go ahead and close this back up so that I can put it in a giveaway if I want to, because those are very, very pretty. I like that it has a base color and a pop of color. They are both matte. They actually go, can you tell by the ombre on this? They go with the packaging just so well. Very pretty. So that was a quick turn through my Ipsy bag. I received, because it was my choice, the Ouai body cream, the V Cosmetic Magnolia blush, the Ico black eyeliner, because, you know, they have to, the Deer Beach Glassy Lip Oil, and the Farrah, and I love their brushes. I should take a moment to say that because I don't ever get to talk about them. The Farrah brushes, I have a couple of their eyeshadow brushes, one which I use, I think E35 every day as the brush that I use for my base color. $13, they say $60 worth of value. I bet a lot of it is in my way. In my way. Okay, let me know what you think. Did you get your bag this time? The daisies next month? Am I totally confused? I don't know. We'll look into it. Thanks so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. I will see you again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you again really soon. Bye, guys.